Ooh, look at these red ones.
So these are bigger and they're monsters. Also that one.
Whoa.
This guy is a monster. So bigger and bigger. It's big. Look them over here now. And that.
Well, let's see these goldfish. These are big.
Those are monsters.
Yeah.
Now, look at me. Come on.
Yes, sir.
So, these are all different. These are called speedy fish.
Okay.
Those are called speedy fish, and that's called a lobster shark.
Oh, well, that's a different kind of catfish. It's a shovel nose. Cool. All right. Well, what else we got?
We got this.
Ooh.
This.
All right, let's go back and look at the goldfish.
Dad, which one do you think is the? Dad, which one do you think what must be worth taking?
I don't know. We're going to take a look.